Yep, and I'm going to get it right here.
Yeah, you're gonna get a nice cold one right here.
Absolutely.
Oh man, the cold coffee?
No, no, if I let my coffee sit long enough, sure it'll get cold, and that'll be cold coffee.
That's called room temperature coffee.
How do you call it that?
I don't know, it just happens that way.
Good.
That's good.
Here's your video, dude.
Oh yeah, I gotta go fast.
It's nice that Elijah's not here playing with you tonight, huh?
I love Elijah. He's one of my closest friends. We go on adventures together.
You can shake hands with him sometime too, then.
I do shake hands with him all the time. We eat pizza, like Ninja Turtles.
Well, you don't have to if you don't like it.
Yeah, that's true. Oh man. Oh man. Let's see if we can get this going right. Hopefully, I have a good feeling we got it this time. We're trying to get the right balance of numbers. Oh man. Hopefully it's going good. I like to think it's going good. If it's going good, I'll let you guys know. That's a fact. Oh man. Get that Minion. Oh yeah, I love Minions. Minions are love, Minions are life. Hiya! Give me that Minion. Oh yeah. Got him, coach. Don't come back. Oh man. Get out of here. Oh yeah. And planted the flag. You guys see that? I wish you guys could see that. That's kind of brutal. Oh man. Get that big minion, guys. Yeah, go! Go! Oh man. Hiya. Let's get this. Oh man. Let's Rofo stomp these fools. Show them what Demacia is all about. Give me that minion. The minion. Oh man. Oh man. Let's go shop. I'm feeling a shop. When the enemy stalls the lane, shopping's really good. Shopping's love. Shopping's life. Gotta stay strong. Oh man, let's see. We'll get this. Lethality. We'll get some potions. One of these control wards. Oh man. Our mid lane is missing an action. Let's go. Let's go. There he is. Oh man. Shove lane. Bam, son. Got it, coach. Hiya, put me in. You see those cold coins? Oh man, I missed with that one. Bam, son. Bam. Here we go. I need to get my Hydra. I got him, coach. Oh man. Did some pokes. Pokes are good. My bicycle fell down, so I had to go out there and pick it up. That's pretty dope. Oh man. Got him. Eat flag. Come on out, little girl. Oh man, I missed that minion. Gotta go fast. Oh man. Oh man. I got him. Oh man. Yeah. Oh yeah. Bam. Oh man.
So when we were doing Nottingham, he was there and we were talking to him, and he was nice.
Oh man.
Nice.
Let's get on our journey. Journey forth. Let's this edge of night. Channel for one to grant a spell shield that blocks. Get that. They got a lot of AP. Get some boots. Boots are nice. Oh man. Here we go. The king is back in town. Oh man. He speaks of the ghost. Oh man, I got my ult now. Let's see if we can get some kills. Got it, coach. Bam. Here we go. Oh man. Oh man. Let's get this blue buff. Blue buff is love. Blue buff is life. Oh no! Oh, got me, coach. Sometimes if you yell, it leads you to victory. That's what Bruce Lee taught me. You make noises. Sometimes you can break the laws of physics. They're like, Cracker, how do you do it? I saw you take a stun, and you didn't even get stunned. I was like, 'cause I yelled. Oh man. We could cue to each other's F's. What? Don't you mean E's? It probably means E. Unless he means flashes or ignites. Oh man. They got a jungler, right? I didn't even know they had a jungler. That's what I get for being a casual player. Oh man. Let's get this tower down. Oh man.
I was telling him about he likes to run every day and objectivity and stuff, and I was like, that's pretty good.
Oh man.
I did not know what TGP Grey. I was like, if you look at his like channel or like any other channels,
oh man.
TGP Grey will be on there and Hello Internet. Like, watch them.
Got it, coach. First tower down. King of the castle. He's king of the castle. Ah, brute. Nom 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 nom.
all the things around him.
Oh, there's an enemy afoot.
I realized, first of all, how complacent I've gotten with Tyler. As far as like just not filtering myself,
Oh man.
trying to watch what I say or anything, like I just spend the time. Horrible. Nasty.
Wow. Quadra kill.
DJ, mild.
Oh man. Let's get this tower, boys. Oh man, that's not good. Don't hurt me, bro. I'm a diabetic. Fool ya, man. Ah.
So I don't worry about what I'm saying or like horrible things I'm gonna say.
Oh man. Let's get this item. Gonna get these items. Get some potions. Always get potions.
And then the next thing was in Joffrey.
Oh man.
We didn't take him to Joffrey. He went to Joffrey.
Oh yeah.
So
420. You know what that means, guys. Yeah, gotta do it. Oh man. If only I wasn't in public. I always gotta check to make sure my bike's there. I need to get a bike lock. Let's go get these minions. Damn, son. Give me that gold. Give me that gold. I love gold. Oh man. Got it, coach. Let's go get this dragon. I'm gonna get this dragon. I love dragons. Oh man, bam! For the ocean. Oh man. Got it, coach. I don't need no help. Don't steal my dragon kill. He stole my dragon kill. Oh man. Let's get this item. Frozen mallet. I'm feeling frozen mallet right now. Oh man. Let's head to the top lane. No one seems to be going that direction. You gotta be where they least expect you and surprise them with love, hugs, and kisses. That's what ponies would do. Oh man. Gotta go fast. Here we go. This is our moment. This is our time. I need to get mine. Hydra.
It started at 11. They had like
Bam.
one thing, someone had died, and then
Hiya.
there was a Blues Brothers.
There we go. Let's get this wave. You gotta surf to the wave. Get all that gold. That's sweet nectar. Not today.
Everyone throws tortillas at each other. The crowd has tortillas to throw people in the
Oh man.
The crowd has tortillas to throw in the crowd. There were tortillas everywhere after it was over. They had a huge
Hit 'em. Oh man.
Where they're still held up to children's stuff for their shop. They walked.
Oh man. I got that fire touch.
And then street sweepers were like
Oh,
an
man.
hour cleaning it up. Back and forth, I love trucking and trash up.
Oh man.
Thing I've ever experienced. It was pretty fun.
Rest in peace, my sweet prince.
Why did you for kids?
With the J5. Oh man. Uh-oh. I hope this video works, guys. Last two didn't work. Oh no, the Jackson 5. That's copyright issues.
Or maybe just get them on the cars in general. Hit people who are. It's bad. It's so funny because first I found out about radio. I was
Got him. Oh man. Let's get some life steal. I'm really feeling life steal right now. That's Mercury Scimitar. Mercury Scimitar. Mercury Scimitar. Oh man. Let's see what we can do. Gotta go fast. There's some nice minions down there. Some nice minions over here. Oh man. Roll to the top lane. Gotta roll fast, roll deep. Gotta roll hard. Oh yeah, that's a nice item. It's like Banshee's Veil, but damage. Everything we ever wanted. Son, give me that gold. Give me that gold. Oh man. Gold. Gold. Oh man. Here we go. Let's get this tower, boys. Don't hurt me. Got it, coach. Oh man. Oh man. Got a dunk. Now let's get our frozen mallet. Start smacking fools. Oh, Mercury Scimitar. I forgot all about it. Oh man. Oh man. Here we go. Let's get this Draken. If we don't, who will? Oh man. Oh, I hope. I'm praying that we got it right. Here we go. Gotta go fast. And there's submarine section. And there's 3 tracks. There's the pressure, the nuclear reactor. Oh man. And then oxygen. So there's pressure and engine. Both have the oxygen and the engine at the same stage. Instead of having the clear sign and then the engine room, got it. Let's get these wolves. And then head to the top lane. They got the bot lane. The mid lane. They got it. I believe. He's got a frozen mallet too.
like, I don't know how many.
Frozen mallets are popular these days.
Star in the middle of it. If you got to the second star,
Oh man.
when you
Back in the day when they had Admiral's Impeller, that was so OP on Nar. That's why they got rid of it, because of Scion and Nar, because it's too OP. It gave you damage based on your life. To get all life, you do like crazy damage.
Squares a minute of time, you can only do one action per turn, and you can take up to like 10 minutes or something. Each minute is like a plus one to your roll trying to do something. You'd be like, I'm going to take 10 minutes to do this. You would roll a die. You'd be like, well, it's 9 out of 10 that
E2.
It's 4, okay, I'd rather do it 7.
No, let's undo that. Thankfully, the undo button is there, and it is very forgiving, unlike my ex-wife. Oh man. Such hate, such rage. Oh man. Trying to clear up in here. Oh man, there's enemy afoot. Oh man. Got it, coach. Now we got our sash. Ah, the homie. He's been slain. Let's get up in there. Let you guys look at this item. Lethality, movement, speed, out of combat. That's glorious. Channel. Beast mode. Beast mode activated. Oh man. Let's get this tower, boys.
There were fires, there were floods, there were locked doors, there was the pressure and heat and the oxygen, and you could get drunk. Because there was frogs, and frogs were made so that you could become better, or go to a room with fire in it. But then you were immediately drunk.
Oh yeah.
Cards flipped over, and you 1, 2, 3, 4 type drunk. And I don't know where
oh man.
the number.
Let's get this, guys. It's going good. I'm taking names and cheeks.
Still working at work, huh?
Yeah. Never stop.
Really?
It's
got the off button there every time you close it up.
It makes you think it's turning off, but it's not. That's a secret.
I guess maybe that's why you use it.
Oh yeah.
And the rule said, you're so close to the end that
Got my scimitar at least now. We're gonna get some boots. Let's get the boots of mobility. I'm feeling assassin-y right now. We gotta unleash the inner ninja that is J4. Oh man. Ruh-roh. Spikes. Get him, boy. Oh man.
Finally, after
Ruh-roh.
hours of playing this game, and we all eat, I was like, we're playing for fight. Like, fuck everybody, we're playing for fight. We played for the rest of the night, everyone
I want to clear out some jungle. Boost my stats.
There's a million expansions for it. There's a second nerd expansion. There's,
Oh man.
there's an anime, and a second anime expansion, which I want. And then there's,
I messed up there. I wanted to get all 3 wolves in one fell swoop. Oh yeah. Let's roll out, boys.
But Jack works for Broken Token, who are like
Got it.
distributors because they make like wood carriers.
Oh
They
yeah.
have like a wood organizer or betrayal or whatever. Like they have these things.
Let me get this scuttle.
Yeah. And so they.
I love you, Scuttlebox.
So they can buy them.
Uh-oh.
Whatever the cool stuff. Yeah. So.
Good. Raptors.
But
Oh, uh-oh. My friends, my family, I have arrived! I got one.
But yeah,
This is your time to shine, colored pencils. Oh man, the Winions. I love Winions.
yeah, I had a good practice.
Oh man,
We're all young.
the Winions. And the dragon. Oh man, look at that guy over there. You don't want to ever be that guy. You got an inhibitor being bashed in and he's over there laying down the law. Oh man, here they come. Oh man. There he is.
So anytime I've been with people who were drinking, we only play things like
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Get it, boy. We got it. I'll shove in the top.
But
That's me, Cracker Snatcher.
but
Oh man.
Oh, that's a great bag you've got there.
Oh yeah, it's
Man, oh man, oh man.
my favorite bag.
Really? What happened to the other one, the other color?
It's gone. It went into the wind, never to be seen again. It went into the wind.
Oh, you've seen it before.
Yeah. I see lots of things in my life.
Really? You got one?
Nah. Oh man. Let's surf this wave. Bam, son. Yeah. Let's get this Gump. Oh, he's gone. Are the wolves there? There's your wolves. Got it. I'll place a word. Kinda doesn't help me against Evelyn, but it's a word nonetheless. Not today. This is my time. Here we go, here comes the wave. Oh man, they got me. But at what cost? There's dancing over there. You guys see that? They're dancing together. Oh man. Dancing on spears. Get some more damage. Oh man, I'm feeling something. How about a bloodthirster? Never go wrong with bloodthirsters. Back in the day, the bloodthirsters were OP. That's why they had to change them. You'd be able to stack 6 bloodthirsters. Who needs boots when you have bloodthirsters? Oh man. Ruh-roh. I'm going for it. Oh man. I want to solo this right now. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. Going deep. Oh man. The Winions! I should have waited for the Winions. Oh man. Oh, it's got to stay moving. Gotta stay fresh. Oh man.
Um,
2,000 more health.
it was like a commercial.
Oh man. Oh, let's go, Bryce. Oh man. While they do that, I'm gonna go for it. I'm running. Oh, and they got me. So the Nexus is vulnerable. Oh man. Graceful on victory and defeat. That's the Cracker way. Cracker out.